Welcome to Tokyo Travel Navigator. In this video, I will show you how to buy Shinkansen ticket at Tokyo Station step by step. Let's get started.
The Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train, is one of the fastest and most efficient ways to travel across Japan. Tokyo Station is a major starting and ending point for all Shinkansen lines. From here, you can take the Shinkansen to major cities like Kyoto, Osaka, Hiroshima, and Nagoya, as well as regional destinations such as Sendai, Yamagata, Nagano, and Kanazawa. The Shinkansen network connects Tokyo to many parts of Japan. Whether you're heading to the countryside or another big city, Tokyo Station is your gateway to high-speed travel. There are two types of seats on the Shinkansen, reserved and non-reserved. Reserved seats guarantee you a specific seat on a specific train. Non-reserved seats are a bit cheaper, but you may not find an open seat, especially during busy times. Also, non-reserved cars usually make up only a few cars per train, so seats are limited. The price difference between reserved and non-reserved tickets isn't that big. It varies depending on the distance and season, so I personally recommend choosing a reserved seat for a more comfortable experience. There are two main ways to purchase Shinkansen tickets at Tokyo Station. One, ticket counters. These are staffed service windows where you can speak with a clerk and buy tickets directly. This is a great option if you prefer personal assistance or have a complex itinerary. Two, ticket vending machines. These machines are fast and convenient. Most machines support English and let you choose your destination, seat type, and payment method. You'll find several types of machines in the station, but don't worry. The basic steps are almost the same for all of them. There are also online platforms like SmartX and eki-net that allow you to book in advance. We won't cover them here, but helpful links are included in the video description below.
Let's walk through how to buy a Shinkansen ticket using a ticket vending machine at Tokyo Station. Select your preferred language. In this case, choose English. Tap on Reserved Seat. Select for seat reservation on Shinkansen. Choose your Shinkansen line. For example, if you are going to Kyoto, select Tokaido. Select your departure and arrival stations from Tokyo to Kyoto in this case. Pick your departure date and time. Choose a number of passengers, for example, 2 adults. After that, you will be asked to choose between an ordinary car and a green car. The ordinary car is standard class. The green car is a premium class with more spacious seating and extra leg room. It's a bit more expensive but ideal for long distance trips. If you are traveling with oversized luggage, you can select a seat near the luggage storage area. Now choose your car and seat. Available seats are shown with green circles. Confirm your route. Make sure it says Tokyo to Kyoto. Then press the select button. Choose whether your trip is one-way or round trip. In this case, one-way. Review your ticket details on the final screen. Make your payment using cash or credit card. That's it. Your Shinkansen ticket is ready.
Here are some helpful tips for a smooth Shinkansen experience. Buy your tickets early, especially if you're traveling with others. If you wait until the last minute, you may not be able to get seats next to each other, especially during peak times. If your plans change, don't worry. As long as the ticket hasn't been used yet, you can change your departure time or seat at the ticket machines or counters. Be sure to check in advance. Arrive at the platform at least 10 minutes early. Shinkansen trains are punctual. They will not wait. Planning ahead can save time and reduce stress.
That's it. Now you know how to buy Shinkansen ticket at Tokyo Station. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips from Tokyo Travel Navigator. Safe travels. Bye for now.